Hello, good morning. Last previous class we studied rational number. Rational number, that means last we discussed more about the rational number. Today one of important properties of rational number, a denominator and numerator has no common factor. No common factor. What is the means? That means a rational number definition is simplest form of फ्रैक्शन. रेशनल नंबर की एक और डेफिनेशन है कि सिंपलेस्ट फॉर्म ऑफ द फ्रैक्शन. व्हाट डू यू मीन? जस्ट एग्जांपल 16/20. you say definition of rational number p by q, where p and q are integers and q is not equal to 0. But here second definition, simplest form of the fraction. That means 16 and 20 have a common factor. How it's possible? So factor of 16 factor क्या हो गए? क्या both are have a common factor. That means 4 into 4 and 5 into 4. In simplest form, 4 cancel 4 and 4/5. तो 16/20 रैशनल नंबर नहीं है, बिकॉज 16 और 20 में कॉमन फैक्टर है 4. So 4/5 is a rational number and 16/20 is not a rational number because they have a common factor. What is meaning of factor? 2, 8, 2, 4, 2, 2 and 1. 16 factor क्या हो गया? 16 equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. And 20 is also factor. 2 into 2 into 5. 2 cancel and last one is 4/5. That means rational number, again how to clarify that 16/20 is a rational number. Yes, 16/20 is rational number when we cut the common factor. Just common factor of 16/20 is 4. So 4/5. That means clear? Now after in number system we discuss irrational number. Next number is irrational number. Irrational number is the opposite of a rational number. What is the definition of rational number? A number which show the definition of rational number is a number which can show the form of p by q and q is not equal to 0. Here the opposite of rational number, a number which can not show the form of p by q. What is the definition of irrational number? A number which cannot show the form of p by q. What that means? The example of irrational number, First, pi. What is the value of pi? In approx 22 upon 7. But what is the mean of pi? A circumference of circle upon diameter of circle. The pi is very important irrational number, because we are just find the pi equal to 22 upon 7 is approx value. Then pi is also circumference of circle upon diameter. And there's other example of irrational number is root 2, root 3, root 5, and in a decimal expansion we also include the irrational number 1.31242 and goes to another 1.010010001, and this type of a number is goes to infinity. That number also called a irrational number. Now, what is the major difference between rational number and irrational number? तो अपन एक बात करें कि रैशनल नंबर और इरेशनल नंबर में एक छोटा सा या डिफरेंस क्या हो सकता है. तो ऐसे नंबर जिनको अपन p by q फॉर्म में शो नहीं कर सकते, वो सब नंबर क्या हो जाएंगे? इरेशनल. Now our number system, last number we discussed real number. Last number is real number. Real numbers is also capital R. Real number is also topic of in a class 10, but we are in a simple. We understand कि what is the mean of real number. The real number हिंदी में कहेंगे इसको वास्तविक संख्या. क्या कहेंगे? वास्तविक संख्या. Listen carefully. What is the mean of, या what is the definition of real number? That is the clear in our mind. What is the definition of the real number? A collection of rational number, a collection of rational number and irrational number is called a real number. That means example, all collection of all rational and irrational number are real number. That means all example. We are studying how many numbers after this 11 number. Just first natural number, second whole number, third prime number, fourth composite number, 5 odd number, 6 even number, 7 positive number, 8 negative number, 9 integers, 10 इंटीजर्स के बाद अपने कौन सा मेरा नंबर पढ़ा था? रैशनल नंबर, रैशनल नंबर 11 इरेशनल नंबर, and last one तो that means what is the meaning of number system? That means all number are belonging itself together. Natural number, whole number. If you read first natural number, अगर हमने natural number पढ़ा है, इसका मतलब हम natural number पढ़ने के बाद ही हमें whole number समझ में आएगा. Then prime number, then composite number, then odd number, then even number, then positive number, then negative number, then integers, then rational और irrational. इन सब का जो कलेक्शन है, इन सब का जो कलेक्शन है वो क्या है? क्या कहलाता है वो? रियल नंबर. So the definition of what is a collection of rational number? Rational number, that means after rational number, before rational number, all number cover. How many number cover? Natural number, a real number, a collection of rational number and irrational number is called a real number. That means अभी तक अपन ने जो नंबर पढ़े हैं just natural number, तो we clear definition in what is the mean of number system, कि हमारे नंबर सिस्टम का मीन्स क्या है. कि हम जैसे हिंदी के अंदर नहीं पढ़ते, जैसे हिंदी में अल्फाबेट्स पढ़ते हैं अ से य तक, वैसे वैसे नंबर सिस्टम जो है वो मैथमेटिक्स का अल्फाबेट्स है. डू यू अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट इज द मीन ऑफ नंबर सिस्टम? जस्ट लाइक इन इंग्लिश A, B, C, D and goes to Z. How many alphabets? 26. That type of in a mathematics number system is also part of starting point of mathematics. Just real number. Real number is a collection of the all rational number and irrational number. तो मुझे रियल नंबर समझने के लिए क्या करना पड़ेगा? मुझे रियल नंबर समझने के लिए यहाँ तक अभी जो भी हमने नंबर पढ़े, कहाँ तक पढ़े? नेचुरल नंबर, होल नंबर, प्राइम नंबर से लगाकर रैशनल और इरेशनल नंबर में जब तक समझूंगा तब मेरे को कौन कौन से नंबर समझ में आएंगे? रियल नंबर. आफ्टर दिस इज द नॉट इन योर टॉपिक, बट